There are certain things, in my humble opinion, you just can't quite live without if you want to dedicate time to the written arts. Whether you are starting out as a writer, writing for fun, or professionally, these are a few essential tools. 1. A physical notebook and/or something to write with. Though we live in a digital age where protecting trees is prioritized, it's important to remain connected with writing tangibly. This helps you to get your thoughts out in a measured and intentional way, where you don't have to autocorrect yourself and you get to be in tune with the ancient ways of writing. 2. A blank page to type on. I really think this is crucial for every writer. We all need a blank page where we can just write without much distraction. Having a blank page through perhaps the Calmly Writer app or Notion, or even making a Google Docs Word page landscape and then making it full screen, whatever way you choose to go about it, giving yourself a blank page is like giving a painter a blank canvas. No distractions, just art. 3. A spelling and grammar checker. I know, the expectation is often that writers should have impeccable grammar and spelling, but that's simply not true. Even if you are a grammar and spelling expert, we can always grow in it, and we can use support when writing long-form content. I'm not talking about an AI system doing the work for you, but using these automated spell checkers and grammar tools to enhance your writing skills and sharpen your mind. 4. A vocabulary learning tool. Some people write English as non-native speakers or write English from different education systems and exposure to the language. Expanding one's vocabulary by having some kind of vocabulary app can be so beneficial as a writer. Even if you know an advanced array of English, there is always more to learn. Ancient terms, 18th century English, rare words that are often not used, you can take these words and use them in your novel, have them be a unique word that a character knows, or even use them to express a scene or atmosphere. And they're great for poetry too. 5. Mobile app writing tool. This is perhaps an easy one to mention, but it will help immensely. Not everyone can have a tablet or portable writing device, but most of us do have smartphones. I cannot tell you how helpful it is to have a mobile app like PureWriter or any other mobile app that allows you to write quickly and easily. Even the Google Docs app on mobile or the Word app on mobile can be super helpful for this. Whatever you choose to use, I think that this would make it so much easier when you're on the go to keep some things written or to continue your written work. You can sync from different devices and keep writing even on the go. So those are 5 great tools for every writer. I hope you've enjoyed this video. For more information and the links to the apps mentioned in this video, please check out the description. And also, why not hit that subscribe button and the like button to help this small channel out, or just for fun. Thanks for watching. See you next time.